Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead with a mini rant. We just went to the gas station because we had to pick up a car dolly for the motor coach to tow Howie's car behind it in the future if we ever go anywhere, if we can ever afford to go anywhere. And we had to pay for the dolly cash. Therefore, we went to the bank and the bank gave us $100 bills. Okay? Went to the gas station, filled the truck. $80. Okay? It's not that, if it was in the States it'd be $60, but $80. I go in while Papa's pumping the gas and adjusting the tow dolly, and I have to pee really bad, so I drop a $100 bill down on the counter and said to the young man, pump 3. I'll get the change when my husband's done. Or fill up on pump 3. He said, we don't take $100 bills. I said, really? I don't have anything else. And he said, well, you'll have to find something. I said, really? Because he's already pumping. Wouldn't you be in a pickle? And I went to the bathroom. And then when I came out, I had to wait through 3 customers to pay for that gas with a credit card. And I said to him, I am not angry at you. I know you are just doing your job. But you're going to tell your boss that you just lost a regular customer because you wouldn't take legal tender for my gas, even when the change was going to be a $20 bill. And he said, well, that's fine, but you can get the money in any shape or form. You should ask for 50s and 20s. I said, I just went to make a major purchase, and the bank only gave me hundreds because I didn't want to walk around with $8,000 in 20s in my purse. He said, you're carrying that much? I said, I'm not telling you. I said, my point is I purchased gas and I wanted to pay for it with legal tender, and you won't let me, so I will never buy gas here again. He said, you can get whatever. I said, yeah, most of the money when we get it out of the banks now comes out of machines. Tell me who to talk to for 50s and 20s. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying everything is becoming mechanized, folks, unless we fight against it. Absolutely everything. Take care. God bless.